Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to manage autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC. If you've ever been distracted by videos starting automatically in your feed, don't worry. We'll show you how to take control of this feature quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Facebook experience. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Media. Click on it to access settings related to videos and audio. Now, locate the Autoplay Video section in the center of the page. Here, you'll see options to enable or disable autoplay for videos in your feed. Make your preferred selection, whether you'd like videos to autoplay or not. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully managed autoplay videos on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Facebook experience to better suit your preferences. Whether you want a quieter browsing session or enjoy having videos play automatically, the choice is now yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.